Hello and good evening to everyone and our lecturer, Dr. Go. Today, we from Group 8 want to present about computer art. Uh, we choose graphic software as our example. This is our first review assignment for the Fundamental of Computer Graphic class, SECV2213 Section 1. In this report, we will study a sample application of computer graphics in computer art. So basically, computer art is often defined as any visual artistic expression that is created or displayed using computers. This can include both two-dimensional, 2D and three-dimensional visuals, as well as digital media made exclusively using a computer and graphic application. There are various types of art that blend old media and newer digital techniques to create works of art and that are more difficult to identify. Such art can be image, sound, animation, video, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, video game, website, algorithm, performance, or gallery installation. Computer art can also include artwork that is created within or outside of a computer, but which utilize a computer for effective demonstration of the work. The outline of this discussion will be section 2 discusses how computer graphics was used for computer art. In section 3, we'll be discussing the term found in computer art. Section 4 is the term found in computer art, and the last section is the conclusion. How computer graphic was used for computer art. Computer art software is a type of application software that is used for graphic design, multimedia development, stylized image development, technical illustration, general image editing, and accessing graphic files. To create, edit, and illustrate art software employs either raster or vector graphic reading and editing methods. Common graphics editors include Photoshop, Illustrator, PaintShop Pro, CorelDRAW, the Apple Photos plugins for Mac Phone, Adobe Lightroom, Digital Image Suite, Canva, and related programs. So this is example of graphic software in computer art. The first one is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is the most popular graphic design software around the world. This graphic design software that can help people to create not only logos, but banners, posters, and websites. From small edit to sophisticated design, Adobe Photoshop has tools for every level. Along with image editing, Photoshop can also create naturalistic artwork and composition. So this is the example of photo edited in Adobe Photoshop.
Okay, the second example of graphics software in computer art is Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is used to make cartoons, charts, diagram, graph, logos, and illustrations, among other digital and printed pictures. Illustrator lets you import a photo and use it a guide to trace an object in it. This can be used to recolor or give a photograph a sketch-like appearance. Illustrator also allows you to modify words in a variety of ways, making it ideal for designing postcards, posters, and other visual designs that combine text and image. The ability of Illustrator to put text around a curve is extremely handy for logo designers. So you can see this is a photo edited using Adobe Illustrator.
So for the third example is Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer is a graphic software that is similar to Adobe Photoshops that include many editing tools for computer art, but not as advanced as Adobe Photoshop. So this software is used in photo editing, graphics, design illustration, and more. Vector and pixel tool is included in this software, which make the software have the ability to edit and create pixel layer for user to create pixel-based artwork and vector art without interrupting any workflow. So this is the example of vector art using Affinity design software. And this is the computer graphic term found for our report, which are vector graphic and raster graphic. Vector graphic represent as a set of geometrical primitive. Vector graphic are also computer visuals made by placing lines and shapes in a two-dimensional or three-dimensional space using a series of instructions or mathematical assertion. And raster graphics is graphic consisting of a collection of small, evenly sized pixels arranged in a two-dimensional grid of columns and rows. Raster graphic represent an image, a digital image uses tiny rectangular pixels or picture elements organized in a grid configuration.
So the conclusion for graphic software is one of the samples of computer graphic application in computer art, mostly in editing. We use editor software that is based on Adobe system. Illustration and design, program, photo, image editors, presentation, graphic software, animation software, computer aided design software, and some desktop publishing software are all examples of graphic software that can be used to edit visual in a variety of ways. Graphic software can be used to create label templates and can modify bitmap and vector graphic. So lastly, from our group, we want to express our thanks to our lecturer, Dr. Go, for her continued guidance and support to this assignment. We offer our sincere appreciation for the learning opportunities provided by our lecturer. So that's all from us from Group 8. Thank you.